unboxing today. So not wanting to. There it is. So we got the card here. So I believe it's not factory wrapped, but we did get a Times Square tabby. And this is supposed to be the medium size in the navy. So, I am very excited about getting this. I've been, so, I did watch the, I want to say, the, yeah. The fashion show by Coach. So, the thing was, it was slow at first, but I did try to wait on the buy now bags, but they still said like coming soon, and I waited for like 4 hours, legitimately till 9 o'clock. They did not go up as available at all. So, it's just like how Skylish just said on his channel. No, not directly on his channel, but in the Discord where he said it's almost like a little game that you have to play to get that item. Yeah. And this was supposed to be the in-between size, so I'm not sure, because I'm like, there was a lot bigger one than this, where they showed it was huge. But I'm not going to sit here and complain. I mean, if they sent me the smaller one in navy, this is navy like I ordered. But then again, you have to read the size things also. In their descriptions. So, yeah. All in all, I almost wonder though, but yeah, it's not even sent stuff, so so I'm gonna shove it into there. I don't know, my phone cut itself out, I don't know. So, okay, so it is the right one. So it is, that's weird. It is smaller than what they show. So, again, yeah. So we're gonna put, I want to say, And some said they didn't mass produce the navy. Navy one a lot. So, yeah. So we're gonna have both straps on it to show you guys. Yeah, so my cell phone that I used to film with doesn't, I want to say, let me film long videos. It'll make me legitimately, yeah, delete. So, yeah. So we're gonna mess around a little with these. Alright. And then this guy, I'm gonna. This way we can get all the answers. But, let's see here. Alright. So they did not stuff it. There is the Times Square tabby in navy. Has a back pocket right there. It's a magnetic strip. So you would go like that. It says glove tan leather right there. It has a back zipper right there. With care card inside. So, clicks like that. Shoulder strap. It would go like that on me. Alright. And then crossbody strap. I'm 5'7", so it's like that on me. So, yeah. I would say for its size, it's like, and they said there was a smaller one, which I almost got, and it's like that for like $300 and some odd dollars. It would have been, I think, like that. Yeah, you could still fit a lot of stuff in this. So the bigger one must be a tad bigger than this. This was the one in between. So, yeah. So it's partially like that. Yeah. And then has that. So, yeah. I have been just wanting, actually I was wanting the velvet one. But, yeah, they haven't released it in velvet, and I heard that they might release the velvet ones around Christmas time of the Times Square tabby. But if you remember, like, the tabby messengers, they did them only for 1 year, and I haven't seen them release more of the messengers. So that's another thing too. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the channel, as it would help get my channel out there to people that don't know about it yet. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye bye now.